Hey guys, if you are in the orange group, I want you to stay and do this lesson with me, okay? Let's see if I can make this work. Here we go. We're going to review our sight words together, and then we're going to read the story, and then I want you guys to go onto Seesaw and record yourself reading this story, all right? But let's do it together first. So let's read the first sight word. Ready? Read. See. Spell. S-E-E. Next sight word. Read. I. Spell. Capital I. Those are the two words that we're going to see a lot in this story. This is story 1D. Okay, and look at the pictures. These pictures are going to help you know what these words are. So let's start by reading the title. Ready? I see clothes. Read. I see 2 socks. See the socks? I see 1 shirt. And here's the shirt. I see 3 shoes. I see 2 caps. I see pants. I see 1 t-shirt. Here's the t-shirt. I see 2 jackets. I see clothes. All right, so this is your job. I want you to find your book. You're going to find 1D. I want you to read the story to a grown-up, or maybe brother or sister, somebody who can help you. When you're finished practicing, I want you to come back to Seesaw and record yourself reading this story. Thank you, boys and girls.